Alright, so here's the ugali. Kindly give a like so that I can serve my fish on a plate. Motivation to serve my fish. Oh, I need 2 plates before I serve myself. Go back to this. The fish is actually hot because I just cooked it a few seconds ago. Need this kind of a spoon to get hold of the fish well. So this is how I serve my fish. I added some milk and some tomatoes. This is the fish that I'm eating today. And this is the ugali that's gonna accompany the fish. I don't know whether somebody will eat the head of the fish or the tail of the fish.